Good morning, kids. Welcome to my channel Kids Learn. And we have started with the class 3rd math, that is the first chapter, where to look from, where we have discussed that how a particular object give different images when viewed from the different positions. So today we will discuss about the mirror halves, which is very important topic, and we will discuss it very thoroughly, and so that each and every kids can do the questions very easily. And so kindly subscribe and like my video, and if you have any feedback or any problem regarding this understanding the topic, so kindly comment me on the sections. Thank you so much. Tit for tat. One day Amina met a painter. Can you make my picture? Yes, sure. I charge rupees 200 for it. So Amina asked a painter to make a picture of her. So, and the painter replied that yes, sure, he will make her picture, but he charged 200 for this. After a while, Amina looked at the picture what he made, and he was surprised to see that it was just half. So painter replied, exact half is same, so other half is exactly the same. You just put a mirror image, mirror to get the complete picture. Now can I have my money? Asked the painter to Amina. Amina gave him 100 rupees. But this is only half the money. Painter said, this is just a half money. Why did you give me 100 rupees? We have talked about 200 earlier. So Amina replied, yes, other half is exactly the same. Let's just put a mirror next to the note to get the full money. So we see there are some of the pictures have been made on the board, and we see that there is a triangle. This triangle, when we see what are the mirror half, when we cut the triangle or any image from the center point, and we get exact the same two images, exact half, like both the same sides are very same, they are called so it is mirror half. Okay. When if I cut this into from this side, so again we get the same mirror halves. This is equals to this, so is also a mirror half. Okay. But when we suppose we cut this into from this point, do we get the same exact halves? No, we don't get. So this is not equals to this. This is not equals to this. Okay. So this is not a mirror half. Not a mirror half. Okay. And when we cut it in from the diagonally, we get the mirror half. Diagonal means the opposite side, like this, when we get two equal triangles. Now we see where we get how we get this mirror half in this triangle. If we cut this, we get the two exact halves. They are called the mirror halves. Okay, or we can say it's a mirror half. Okay. Suppose the tree, if you cut it into equal at the center, we will get the two equal halves, that you call the mirror halves. We get the exact halves. They are called the mirror halves. So like this, we will this is a letter B, and we will cut it into two parts. So we can use a different color for that you can understand it easily. So we will do it B. So it is a mirror half. It's also a mirror half. In case of T, if we cut it from the center, so you have to choose the center point, then only you can mirror half. Suppose this is a, yes, it looks like It's look like an ice cream. Yeah, when you cut it into half, say here, you get the exact halves. They are called the mirror halves. Okay, when we cut it into, this is a bucket. If you cut it from the center, we will get the mirror halves. So you have to find out the exact position from where you get the two mirror halves. Suppose if you divide the picture from here, you will not get the similar halves at the both the side, because this place, this half, other half is like this, and this other half is like this, so will not. And in case of this heart shape, this heart, if you cut it into equal, you will get the equal halves. In case of M, mirror half, so only a mirror half. If you cut it like this, is also a mirror half. Okay, so this is some of the triangles. जब हम काटेंगे, दे आर कॉल्ड, ये भी हमें मिरर हाफ ही देंगे. Also mirror half. But see, it depends upon where from you divide the pictures. Like if you cut it from this, you will not get the exact halves from the same side. So this is not the mirror half. So you get the mirror half, you have to cut it from the center point like this. Okay, this is the center point. You will get the exact half, that this half is equal to this half, so it is also a mirror half. Okay, and you see, it's a picture when we get a cut marks on this. Now see, this is not a mirror half. Okay, because this portion is not equal to this portion, so this is not a mirror half. So you take different images and you get the different mirror halves, different points from where we get the mirror halves. So this is how we learned that how to get the mirror half. So kids, we will discuss some of the pictures here which we can divide it into the mirror half. So this is a comb, and we see that there is a comb, and if you ask to divide it into the mirror half, so we'll see that we can divide it by center, and both the side will be exactly the same, so it is a mirror half. Okay, we'll write it mirror half. So this is an envelope, and if we divide the envelope from the center, it will be mirror half. It will give the two exact images. This is the mirror half. We will discuss it one by one. 8. See, both the circles are same, so if we cut the circle into the center, we will get the two similar halves, so it is a mirror half. This is a scissor. ये कैंची है, तो उस सीजर को हम सेंटर से काटेंगे, and will we get the two exact images. This is called the mirror half, and so this picture is mirror half. So this is a button. We see so complete the pictures by mirror half, from their mirror halves, and you see that there is a this shape is given, so you have to make a similar shape on the opposite side. like and you have to इसे वैसे ही मिलाएंगे तो we will get the sorry so we see it's a U, or we just do it properly, it will be U. Okay, so by seeing the mirror, by seeing the mirror halves, you can make a picture of this. So it's like, okay, so you see two alphabets are there, U and H is made by seeing their mirror halves only. So likewise you can do this. So you can make the other half of this, you can guess the letter. Okay, you can do it properly. Okay. This is D. I and K. So they are the halves, and you an exercise will be given to you making a mask. Now I can teach you how to make the mask of a cat. Take a piece of paper, fold it along the middle, one side draw the figure, and can cut it out using a pair of scissors. Now open the fold and make the eyes, nose and etc. Color it and tie a rubber band on its back. Your mask is ready. So the procedure is given, and you have to prepare this mask like this, and and similarly you can prepare masks of these other pictures also. So guys, with this we have finished with the chapter class. So guys, we have finished with the chapter where to look from. Hopefully you have liked the video, and if you have any queries and any feedback regarding this, you can comment on my section, and please like my video and subscribe it so that you can get the good content of this. Thank you.